been a week since the sun disappeared. How are you holding up? Can you shed a tear for the camera?
What? Oh, good. They've arrived. Leave this to me, love.
Drake, what is this?
This is Jack Daw from Birdwatch UK. They're doing a feature.
So, there have been rumours of farmyard bullying. Do you believe your son was abducted? Or do you think he ran away to escape his abductors?
What are you saying?
Ooh, that's good. Ooh, yes. Viewers will love that.
Why can't you just leave me alone?
Oh, very good. Feisty cells.
What about me? Doesn't anybody care what I think?
No. Sorry, love. Just coming to the end of transmission. We'll leave you to find a word with Ida. But for now, if her son is out there and watching, know that his mum cares. And if anyone sees anything from thieving magpies to lost ducklings, the old Bill is waiting to take the call. Over to you, Ida.
And don't start blubbering, for God's sake.
A dream that's washed away.